Hello and welcome. So continuing from where we left off the last time. So we're going to start with gradient. Okay, so we're going to add gradient to this and to the entire label before we're going to continue to add the other remaining elements. Okay, so I'm going to start with this. I'll select this gradient here. All right, so just move this way. Okay, so this is basically the default that comes with Illustrator. You can set it to anyone that you want. Okay, so um I'm going to select this freeform gradient. All right, so I'm going to bring back my swatch panel. This is it right here. Let me just bring it out. This transparency, you can just drop it here. All right, so with this selected, then pick this color, add another one here. So this time drag it this way. Okay, yeah, this is better. Okay, so if you look at this text as well, I actually forgot. It has a bit of gradient on it. Okay, but then the gradient is around this little b. So, but then you can choose to add gradient to everything. But then I'm going to select this, just a little b, and then add gradient to it. Okay, so I'm going to click here. Select this and here, pick that color, and pick this, and then make adjustments here. Okay, so I can come here. All right, so this is good. Okay, so you can now see what we have. So you can even extend it to the A if you want. Okay, but then I'm going to leave it this way. All right, so we're going to continue with our design. So I'm going to zoom in on this. Okay, so if you zoom in, you can see that this particular. All right, so what you'll notice is that this is not sharp enough. So since I have an image that is sharper than this, I'm going to replace that. So to replace an image is simple. Simply right click that particular image, go to image, go to replace image, and then look for. All right, so I'm going to have this selected, go to open. Okay, so we've replaced it. So now if you zoom in, you'll see that this is now clear enough. So we can now go ahead and start creating this. So I'm going to select this rounded triangle. I'm going to add it up right here. Okay, So I'll increase this rounded corners. So this is going to be, let's pick this color. Let's start with. Okay, so let's zoom out. See, still big. So I will reduce it. Okay, so sometimes if you're struggling reducing something like this, is because of this rounded corner. So I'm going to bring it up first before we reduce, and I can go back and make adjustment. All right, so let's take note of that if you're trying to scale down. Okay, so now I'm going to start with my text energy 5 kg. Okay, so the next one says 1, 2, 3 be cow. All right, so I'm going to change this font because it's not too good for this information. So I'll come over here. I can change it to, let's see. Let me change it to Cambria. Okay, so I'll reduce it this way. Okay, so I'll duplicate this, highlight it, press 6.4%. Okay, so I'll press Ctrl A to select everything and then align it center. All right, so this is just all I have to do here. So I'm going to duplicate this. Okay, so I'll repeat the same thing. So I'm going to fast forward the video now. So basically, select this text. All right, so now we want to add the element at the side, which is the depth. So you can see how you had your width box. So I'll duplicate this text and bring it here. All right, I think this is good. Okay, so this one, give it this color. Then this, give it this same color, but then let me see the same thing. Okay, but I can maybe darken it here. I think I prefer this. I'll select this like this. Yep, that's good. So I'll select this, position this here. I'll duplicate it. I'll right click and on group all. Okay, something is actually blocking, which is this. So I'll just delete it. This is what I want. So everything here is deleted. Okay, so I'll drag this in here and then scale it down, position it here. I can't basically see the styles because of the way we actually add the Gaussian block. So I will still reduce it. Okay, so I think I'm still the same problem. Okay, so this is better. Okay, so we can add our text. Like this. Okay, so I like everything with 3 shots and 100%. Like whole grain, goodness, amount of milk may vary depending on milk and your favorite fruits. Okay. All right. So this information, we need to highlight it. Okay, so center. Then we can reduce it. So I can come here. Okay, so I think I need to still make adjustments to this whole text. Okay. Hold on the shift key while you scale. So I will place this here, rotate it. I think this color will need to darken it. I don't want the red color, so I'll bring this down here. Okay. Okay, good. Rotate it just slightly. So this one, increase the size to 13. All right, so we're now on the back page. All right, so I think I'm going to pause the video. Bloom, can you reduce your volume now? How many times do you want me to be repeating myself? So we're going to work on the back. We'll do that in the next video. All right, so you can see this is the back. So we're going to work on the back by adding all these images, and then we'll do the back and this other side as well in the next video, and that will actually conclude our design. So with this, I'll see you guys in the next video.